Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Math Magic. So today's question is 3r equals to 15. So 9r plus 10 equals to what? So let's see. So I will show you two methods to solve this problem. So let's see. 3r equals to 15. So r will be 15 by 3, that is 5. Okay, now you can see that is so simple. Just put the value of r here. So 9 into 5 plus 10. 9 into 5 becomes 45 plus 10 equals to 55. Okay, this is the answer. Now let's see the method 2. So 3r equals to 15 given. So 9r plus 10 equals to 9. 9r can be written as 3 into 3r and plus 10 as it is. So we know the value of 3r, that is 15. So 3 into 15 plus 10. 3 into 15 will be 45 plus 10 equals to 55. In the both method we get the same answer. So this is the answer guys. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.